Limits at infinity, Part 1. Here we want to evaluate the limit as x approaches infinity of arctangent of pi over x. First, let's take a moment to think about the limit as x approaches infinity of just pi over x. Well, pi is a constant, just a number. So as x is approaching infinity, or as the denominator is getting bigger and bigger and bigger, this overall fraction is getting smaller, or getting closer to 0. So now, evaluating the limit as x approaches infinity of arctangent of pi over x, well, that's just going to end up being arctangent of 0, because that inside is going to 0. Now, arctangent of 0 can be evaluated. The answer is just 0. So we're thinking, what do we substitute into tangent to get out 0? And the answer is 0. Now let's evaluate the limit as x approaches infinity of 2 minus e to the 2 over x. Let's take a moment to focus on this part up here, 2 over x. So notice that if we take the limit as x approaches infinity of just 2 over x, we again have a constant in the numerator and x in the denominator. Now, as x is getting bigger and bigger and bigger, this overall fraction is getting smaller or closer to 0. So back up here, evaluating the limit as x approaches infinity of 2 minus e to the 2 over x, that's going to be 2 minus e to the 0. So this exponent part is going to 0. Now, e to the 0 is 1. So we have 2 minus 1, or an overall answer of 1.